Guys, guess what I didn't have to do baby hairs for? Yes.
Calais,
Keep it lit.
pretty bitch music. Big mama, I'm a shit talker. I see him copy.
It's your girl Crystal. I'm back with another video. Today's video is gonna be about Blyhairbeauty, about this number that I have on right here. So if you want to learn more about this hair, stay tuned. This hair was sent to me by Blyhairbeauty. This is the packaging of the hair. This is what it looked like when I took it out of the box. Ooh, it is so soft and so pretty. I couldn't wait. I wanted to install it right then and there, but I had to hold myself together. So this hair was sent to me by Blyhairbeauty, and for those of you who are not too sure who you are, I'm going to insert a link of where I got the hair in the description box down below. It was a very easy to install. I have to say that. I did not pluck the unit. I didn't even bleach the knots, guys. I just put it on and it came out, as you can see for yourself. I didn't have to add no baby hairs to it. I do intend to, but not right now. This is the first wig that I installed that I did not have to add no baby hairs to, and it looks pretty decent. An 18-inch, and I would rate the hair a 10. Usually I get shedding with my wigs and no shedding. It's just minimal shedding. Minimal shedding for the time that I've had it. I do plan on maybe coloring it to see how it holds up, and then I can do another video on that later on. But so far I feel like this hair is close to a 10. It's close to a 10. My only con with this hair, it doesn't really have that much parting space, and I'm not too sure if it's because I didn't bleach it. It doesn't really give me scalp action when I part it. The knots are very close together, so I kind of have to play with it to get my middle part going and my side part going. But overall, it's a good buy. It is a great buy. So I'm gonna insert a few pictures of how the installation turned out, and you guys let me know what you think about it down in the comments. Bye.